This will be a speed test between the Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus versus the Google Pixel 4 XL. Now the S20 Plus, this one has the Snapdragon 865, 12 gigs of RAM on Android 10, and One UI 2.1. The Pixel 4 XL has the Snapdragon 855, 6 gigs of RAM, latest version of Android 10, all stock, no bloatware, no skins or anything. So let me know in the comments below which phone you prefer. The likes of the S20 series, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra, or are you more of a stock Android user and prefer the Pixel series, like the Pixel 4, 4XL, Pixel 3, etc. And also the camera. Which camera do you prefer? Samsung and its image processing, or how Google processes their images? Anyway, go ahead and turn on both at the same time. See which one has the faster boot up, and let's go. Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus versus Google Pixel 4 XL speed test. And I think the Pixel is going to win. The boot up. Oh! Waiting on the S20. And here's the S20. So I'm going to give the boot up win to the Google Pixel 4 XL. Yeah, these Pixel phones, Pixel 4, even the Pixel 3, these phones boot up hella fast. And we are in. All right, let's get this test started, man. I'm going to swipe over. These are the apps I'm going to use for this test. I'm going to go like this. I'm going to go like that. No recently used apps. No recent items on both phones. Everything's been cleared out. So let's get started by tapping the phone app. A little bit faster on the S20. Messages. Tie. Camera. We'll go ahead and do it like this so you can see the viewfinder a little bit better. Go. Ooh, I think that was actually the Pixel 4 XL, man. I think that was the Pixel. Slow down the video for me on YouTube, 0.25x, and let me know. But in real life, filming this video, I think that was the Pixel. That was a little bit faster on that one. All right, let's go ahead and start up the clock on both phones. Okay, that was a little bit faster on the S20. Start up the stopwatch and leave that running in the background. We'll check out the Chrome here. And let's do a search for, there we go, GSM Arena. Why not? Keep it cell phone related. Oh, okay. I think maybe the S20 was a tiny bit quicker on that one. And what is this? New James Bond trailer. Go check that out. We'll pinch to zoom. Oh, you can't. I cannot. And I can't hear either. Okay, we'll scroll. Nice and fast on both phones. 90 Hertz display, 120 Hertz display here on these phones. Nice and fast on the scrolling. Very nice. Okay, I'm gonna go back and let's click on this one, Oppo Find X2. Let me know in the comments below if you want me to buy this phone. I'll check it out. Why not? And I cannot pinch to zoom. That's all right. Oppo Find X2 Pro. Look at this, 6.7-inch display, 48 megapixel camera, 12 gigs of RAM, 4260 on the battery. A little bit on the small side, but seems like a cool phone though, don't you think? We'll scroll and nice and fast on both. 120 on the S20, 90 on the Pixel 4 XL. Butter! Calculator. Play Store. A little bit faster on the S20. All right, let's go ahead and click this one. Faster on the S20. Click on this. And we'll install it, see which one will install this app faster. And let's not go. We'll go to the next app, which is Amazon. Ooh, Pixel is not too far behind. Can hold its own versus the latest from Samsung. eBay. Okay, the S20 was a little bit faster on that one. We'll click on this. What is this, toaster? We'll click on this toaster. Let's check it out. Looks like a cool toaster. And we'll buy it now. No, changed my mind. Not buying anything. Super Mario Run. Loading on both. Faster on the S20. Tap to begin. Faster on the S20 again. Tempo Run 2. Loading on both. I think the S20 is faster. Yup, we'll give the win to the S20. Tap to play. This one. Logging in on... Ooh, man, the S20 is quick. Look at that. There you go. We'll give the win to the S20 there. And then we do have this one. And I think the S20 is out in front here. Yup. We'll give the win to the S20. All right, so the S20 is kind of pulling away here a little bit. A little bit of separation. And then we do have the PUBG here. Let's see. Will the S20 be out front again? Looks like it. Hearing noise from the S20 first. Loading on the S20. Yeah, we'll give the win to the S20 here. All right. S20 jumping out in front. And then we do have Twitter. S20 IG. Faster on the left. WhatsApp. S20 again. And then Snapchat. Very close. S20 slight advantage. Let's go ahead and take a look at the multitasking on both phones. Everything's in the background. Now, on a side note, again, these fast refresh displays, these new phones are coming out with now. 90 Hz, 120 Hz on the S20. I'd have to say, once you see it with your eyes and you go back to like a 60 Hz display, I mean, it's kind of hard to go back. I mean, it's just so buttery smooth. I mean, my goodness, look at that. I could just do this all day and just all right, anyway, enough of this. Let me go back here. All right. And then we'll just go ahead and run through these apps again. And let's see what happens. Now, keep in mind, S20 has 12 gigs of RAM. The Pixel has 6. So double the RAM on the S20. Okay, Instagram, Twitter. There you go. PUBG. Good to go. And then we do have Asphalt 9. Good to go on both. And then Angry Birds 2. Okay, a little bit of a lag here on the Pixel, but not too bad. And then Temple Run 2. Good to go on both. Now I gotta say also on the Pixel 4 XL with the 6 gigs of RAM, I really felt like this phone needed to have the 6 gigs of RAM. The Pixel 3 XL, which only had 4, I think that really hindered that phone's performance. But with the Pixel 4 XL having now 6 gigs, I think it's doing this phone wonders. It just runs so much better now with the extra 2 gigs of RAM. So you can see, now still not as fast as an S20, for example, but definitely an improvement, I'd say, over the Pixel 3. Stopwatch is still running in the background. And then the camera. There you go. Messages. Okay, a little bit faster on the left. And finally, the phone app. Faster on the S20. Boom. So let me know in the comments below what you thought about this matchup. Are you on hashtag Team Pixel with your Pixel 4 or Pixel 4 XL? Do you have a Pixel 3 or 3 XL? Pixel 2, the original Pixel? Or are you an OG and have a Nexus 6P? Let me know in the comments below what you love about your Pixel. The stock Android experience, the fast security updates, Google's camera processing. Let me know in the comments below. Or are you a Samsung Knight, rocking your brand spanking new Samsung Galaxy S20, S20 Plus, or S20 Ultra? Let me know in the comments below what you think about this phone thus far. Let me know in the comments down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.